Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you, and this is Grazia Beauty 2019. This is what it looks like. So there you go. Woo! There's 24 doors in all. It costs £85 on the Latest in Beauty website, and they have a discount code for £5 off up until the 13th of October. So all details and all links and codes and everything I can find I'll pop down in the description below. So underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up description and everything will be down there. This is the very first time Grazia Beauty have released an advent calendar, and inside you've got products from NARS, Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Oh, there's loads in there. There is loads in there. I've had a quick peek through here. Obviously I haven't opened it because I'm going to be unboxing it with you lot. In here you get a little leaflet and it tells you everything about the products. So yeah, it is a good one. It is a good one. So before I show you, I'll just read you what it says here. It says, as we know, the key component in any advent calendar is the treat factor. With that in mind, we present to you our ultimate Christmas edit of both our cult classics and newfound heroes worth over £326. All sitting pretty behind those doors, ready to luxe up your December like nothing else. Latest in Beauty are based in the UK, and this calendar is only available within the UK. I was kindly gifted this advent calendar by Latest in Beauty to show you and tell you all about it on my channel. So thank you to Latest in Beauty for sending it to me, because it seems a really lovely calendar. So I think that's it as far as information goes. As I said, all details and everything will be listed down by description. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. So if this is the first advent calendar unboxing you've watched of mine, I am filming in a teeny tiny room, so it's a little bit of a pain. But hopefully next year will be different and I'll be filming in my bedroom, so it'll make things a lot easier for me. But yeah, I get a bit flustered because I have to put it on my shoulder and have a look around, but we'll find it, we'll find it. So number one down here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. We've got a Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a full-size liquid lipstick, and this is in shade Ashton. So it looks like there. This is stunning. This is so pretty. Yeah, that's beautiful. That is really lovely. So that's what it looks like there. That is gorgeous. Definitely a shade I would wear. This is a long wearing high pigment matte liquid lip colour. I am super chuffed with that. That's an amazing day one. Absolutely amazing. So there's that. Day two over here. Got a product by LOreal. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh, that's lovely. This is a cell repair night oil with neroli, lavender, rose and mandarin. Yeah, that's what I could smell, the neroli. So it looks like there. These might all be full size, I'm not too sure. It doesn't say on the information given to me, but yeah, I'll let you know as we go through the calendar anyway. So that's what it looks like there, and it says here, an award-winning intensive overnight boosting treatment which works in tandem with the skin's natural nightly repair mode to promote a luminous, dewy and radiant glow. And it says pipette 2 drops into the palms of your hands, massage onto your face, neck and décolletage. So yeah, so that's day number 2. Number 3 here. This is a hair product by System Professional, and it's a Luxe Oil Reconstructive Elixir, and this is 30 mils. Now a product I've never seen before. So what's it say? So this says, transform your hair from the inside out with this cocktail of almond, argan and jojoba oils. It's the perfect antidote to winter worn lengths. So it's a hair oil, but it doesn't say how you apply it. But I'm assuming with hair oils you tend to put it on like dry hair, like run it through to your mid-lengths and ends, just to like get rid of any frizziness and to smooth and tame ends and things. So yeah, if I find out any other information about it, I will pop it down below. But yeah, so that's day number 3. Number 4 is right up here. Woo! It's a big one. What have we got? Oh, I've just had one of these. I got 2 now. They are lovely. It's Bare Minerals and it's Skin Longevity, and it's a serum. Now this is a sample or a mini. I'd say, yeah, probably a mini. It's 7.5 and that's what it looks like there. It's lovely. I first tried it about 2 years ago, and it's just really nice and lightweight, and it blends in beautifully with like my hyaluronic acid, my serums, my SPF and all that. It just layers nicely onto my skin, so it suits my skin well. So it just says here, Vital Power Infusion, powered by Lifelong Herb, California Poppy, Lempuyang ginger extracts. And then it says on the back here, after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck, use morning and night. So yeah, so that's day number 4. Number 5 in the corner here, and we've got a favourite of mine. It's a Tropez, and it's a self-tan purity spray. It's natural glowing skin. It's a bronzing water face mist, and this is a mini size, and you've got 14 mils here, so it's like a mini sample size. But this will last you quite a while because it's a very fine mist. You only have a few squirts on your face, and yeah, I've got quite a few of them because I had them in different subscription boxes over the summer. I like to do it before I go to bed and wake up with a nice glow. Definitely when all mine have all finished, I am going to get myself a big bottle. But yeah, so that is day number, I think it's number 5. Number 6 here. And we have got a mini version. It's 50 ml of, it's Philip Kingsley, and it's a Perfecting Spray, the ultimate multitasking blow dry spray. And it says, shake well before use, spray throughout towel dried hair before blow drying. I've tried a few of these products before, but I've never tried this one. And the heat protection blow dry type spray is one I use every single time. I never, ever not put any spray on before I blow dry my hair. I'm excited to see what that is like. So that is our day number 6. Number 7 down here, and we got something by NARS. This is a satin lip pencil in shade Ricusian. I don't know, Ricusian. I am not the best, apologies for pronouncing words. I'll show you in a minute. So that's the outer packaging. So I'm guessing this is a mini. I'm not too sure. I don't own any of these by NARS, but oh, it's a lovely colour. It's like a slightly shimmery. Yeah, Ricusian. Hopefully you know what I mean. Maybe you've seen it before or you own it yourself. So it looks like this. So I think it's a little mini. This colour, yeah, it's like a rose colour, but I'd imagine it to be barely there on your lips. Something to give you a little bit of a colour, but something to make it a little bit shiny and sparkly, but not overly so. Can you see there what I mean? So it's not strongly pigmented. It's more like a flush to your lips. So yes, so that is day number, I think it's 7. I think it is. Oh gosh, I can't believe I don't even know where I am. Right at the start of the calendar. Number 8 down here. We've got a product by DOLPHIN, and this is an essential oil elixir, and it's for all skin types. Stress relief detox oil mask. We've got 5 ml here. So it looks like that. Restorative oil mask infused with golden flower petals and pure essential oils. Instantly skin feels nourished, soothed and appears naturally glowing, while the calming aroma detoxes from feelings of stress. 99% of the total ingredients from natural origin. So that's number 8. Number 9 over here. Oh my gosh, it's a Dr. Pawpaw. This is a full-size Dr. Pawpaw product. It's a multi-purpose balm. It can be used on skin, cuticles, anything, hair, anything. And it just says here for lips, yeah, beautifying touches. It's cruelty-free and vegan, fragrance-free, and there's 25 ml. This did its rounds last year and maybe this year as well in beauty subscription boxes, and I've got a ton of them in the house, absolutely a ton of them. It's a good product, so if you've never tried it before, it is a really nice product, a handy household sort of staple, I'd say. Put it in your cupboard so if ever you need it for anything, you know it's there. It's not healing as such, but it just helps with dry skin, like dry cuticles and things like that. But yeah, we've got loads, absolutely loads. I give the little ones to my kids to use as like lip balms, but so there's that. Number 10, a little one down here. I think something else is in its way. Something else is number 15, I think it is. It's a face mask. It keeps on dropping. We've got something small down here. What is this? Oh, I've had this before as well. This is a Aromatherapy Associates, and this is a Forest Therapy Bath and Shower Oil, and this is 9 ml. These are gorgeous. Really, really lovely. Massage 1/3 onto your torso. Step into a warm bath or shower. I'm gonna have to smell it. Oh, it's just so nice. I love aromatherapy smells, like spa smells and things. It's just lovely and relaxing. I love the packaging of these as well. It's just really cute. So there's that. Number 11 at the top here. We have got a Porous Choice, and this is a Skin Perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Salicylic acid for all skin types. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, soothes an even skin tone, and this is 30 ml. That's what it looks like there. Once or twice daily, apply over face and neck. Do not rinse. For daytime, always follow with a sunscreen. So there's that. Number 12 down here. And we've got a product by Sukin, and this is Purely Ageless Rejuvenating Day Cream. It's paraben free, rich in white hibiscus, baobab and pure ribose to fight the signs of aging in just 14 days. Wow, for all skin types. We've got 20 ml here. That sounds lovely. Yeah, just very subtle. I don't like anything that is like overly perfumey. There's no need for it, in all honesty, unless it's like a bath or a shower gel or something like that. It feels really lovely. It's quite a thick cream. It's quite a thick cream, but no, that's absorbed nicely into my hand anyway. So there's that. 13 over here as well. We have got a liquid eyeliner, and this is in Carbon Black, and it is by Code 8. It's Precision Liquid Eyeliner. That's the outer packaging. I've already got one of these. Don't know where I got it from, but I got it, and it is amazing. It is really, really lovely. But I don't know why. My one here, I think it must be leaking or something. I don't know. The amount of liquid that comes out of it now, I can't really use it because I've noticed when I apply it onto my eyes, it bleeds. So that is not good. When I first started using it, I really, really loved it. I thought it was amazing. It's got a brush nib, so you're able to do a really nice wing, or you're able to get right into your eyelashes, no problem. I really, really like it. So I'll give this one a go and see what that one is like. So yeah, an eyeliner by Code 8. 14 at the top here. Oh, we got a brush. Oh, this is cute. What's this? This is by Spectrum. Wow, look at the colour. Bright green. And this is a CO3. Oh, this is cute. That is so, so cute. Look at that. That is so soft. That is gorgeous. Like a, I don't know, like a blush, I think. That would be gorgeous as. What's it say in here? So it's designed for precise application of both powder and cream formulas. This brush with its tapered tip is perfect for contouring and adding highlights. You'll be selfie ready in no time. But yeah, no, that is gorgeous. I think that is lovely. That'd be nice to buff in a cream contour actually. So there's that. Right, 15. This thing has been wanting to come out all the time. So where are you? Look, it's gone, but it's dropped. We've got a Nip and Fab Glycolic Fix Exfoliating Sheet Mask, and it's for radiant and soft skin, and it's cleansing, exfoliating, soothing and retexturizing, glow boost and radiance. Now Nip and Fab do amazing sheet masks. They're really, really lovely. I tried one about a year or so ago. I did a bubble mask, and I think it was Bubble Mask Extreme or something like that. I can't remember what the name was now, but oh my gosh, it's the most funniest thing I've ever tried. I just look like a massive fluffy panda. It just looks so funny. Sheet masks are nice. They do make my skin brighter. They do make me feel as if I've got a really nice clean face, but it's not a deep clean, not for me anyway. That's my personal thoughts, but no, I do like these, so I look forward to trying this because I haven't tried that one. So is that. Number 16 at the top. Ooh. We've got a product by Dermalogica, and this is, oh, it's got sticky stuff on the end. This is a pre-cleanse 30ml deep cleansing oil. Melts impurities and makeup from skin. Using dry hands, massage over dry face, wet hands, and continue massaging to create a light milky emulsion. Rinse with warm water. Ooh. That sounds lovely actually, really nice. 17 down here. We got an Electro-Gel Cleanser, Evening Cleanser and Detoxifying Mask in one. Okay, and this is by Lixer Skin. I've never heard of this before. And this is 30ml, and it says apply to your face, eye area and neck, massage for a minute, leave on for another minute and rinse with a towel mitt. So that's number 17. Number 18 over here. We got a product by Weleda, and this is Skin Food, Rich Intensive Skincare, and this is 10ml. That's the outer packaging there. And it says this rich, nourishing cream for body or face contains precious extracts of pansy, chamomile and calendula, effective and trusted since 1926. Is that? Ooh, that smells like orange squash. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really lovely. I've never tried this one. I've tried a few of their other products, but not this one. But no, it feels nice. So there's that. 19 down over here. We've got an Advanced Renewal Cream by Malin & Goetz. And this is our ultimate face cream, deeply nourishes as it improves the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, firmness and radiance. And this is 7ml. Now I tried this a couple of years ago. I think I had it in a subscription box called Reading in Heels. But no, it's lovely. From what I remember, it was really, really nice. And I think it's quite a pricey brand as well. I'm not too sure. That's what it looks like there. So it's a face cream, an anti-aging face cream. So there's that. 20 down by the side of me. Ooh. And we have got a product by Della Palma Milano, and this is Geisha, and it's a concealer. It's a lift concealer. Oh my gosh, lifting effect cream concealer, colour corrector. And is there a particular shade? No, it just says 120 on the top there. But that's the outer packaging. This is gorgeous. The packaging is really, really lovely. It looks like it could be like a peachy toned concealer. More, I'd say, for colour correcting, for like darkness under your eyes, because that would be more of a universal colour for people, as opposed to actually, yeah, it is, because there's no way that I would put that all over my face. Look, I'll just show you. That is quite a bit of a difference with my own skin tone, as you can tell. But for concealing dark circles under your eyes, this would be fine. Put a tiny bit in the corners and blend out. Then I applied concealer then just to brighten up this area. So you're colour correcting before you're actually lightening. So I think that's brilliant. It is quite a peachy tone, but I'm hoping that will work. But no, I'm really excited to give that a go. So there's that. 21 up here, just a few more left now. And we have got a product by Clean Reserve. It's a new one for me. And oh, it's a perfume. Suede Oud Travel Spray. And this is a 5ml. Oh my gosh, the packaging is absolutely stunning. It's got a wooden lid. Beautiful. I absolutely love that packaging. Oh, that is different. That is different. I'm normally a fruity floral type of girl. Not rose, but yeah, fruity floral. But that is gorgeous. That's quite a masculine smell, but it's also, you could imagine I'm sniffing. It's not a very good look on camera, is it? But no, I can imagine this to be sort of unisex, maybe. I'll definitely wear it, but also, oh, if my husband wore it, it'd be like, smell nice. A combo of cypress, birch and pigmento keeps this fragrance fresh, while a Moorish base of suede and amber add depth. That's what it says. I know, I'm really chuffed to that. So there's that. 22 up here. We've got nail polish. And we've got an OPI nail lacquer, and this is full size, and this is in shade Another Romantic Evening. It's ramen. Never mind. So that's what it looks like there. So I think I've already got this. I'm sure I've already got this. So alongside the Dr. Pawpaw, I'll be gifting that away to someone. But yeah, so there's that. 2 left to go. So number 23. And we have got a This Works, and this is 10ml Sleep Together Calming Spray. Relax and sleep better together for busy days and brighter mornings. Oh my gosh. I've had a few of their sprays. Their pillow sprays are lovely. And what other sprays have I had? I think that's it really. I think that's all I've had in subscription boxes. You just spray like a lavender and chamomile spray. Just spray it on your pillows and bed sheets, and it's gorgeous. And now for a moment of calm. Mist over furniture, pyjamas, or simply the air around you. Transition from a busy day into a tranquil night naturally. Oh, I like that. It's a little bit different. So that's day number 23 and 24. Right at the top here, we have got a Aromatherapy. I think that's how you say it, and it's an illuminating moisturizer. Absolutely love this brand. I have a few of their products. Thanks to subscription boxes, I've been able to try them. But illuminating moisturizer. I have tried a moisturizer by theirs before, but I don't think it's illuminating. Let's see what it says about it in here. Ever heard of a moisturizer laced with ruby crystals? No, I haven't had this one. You have now. They help blur your complexion while your skin is nourished. Oh my gosh, that sounds wonderful. That is gorgeous. So an illuminating moisturizer. So that is day number 24. So looking at all the products that are on the floor and looking at this leaflet here, I think we got a really good mix in this advent calendar. I think we got 3 different day creams, but they all claim to do different things. So they are a little bit different, but everything else, there's not any repeats of products. I think it is good, definitely. I think it's a really good calendar. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you already ordered one for yourself? Or if not, are you still umming and ahhing whether it's for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.